All right, guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers.
Hey.
And today we're gonna get more progress done on the Mustang. We are gonna try to get it done.
Yeah. It's enough.
It's enough. It's been too long. We want to drive it. So we got done with the paintwork. Now we got to put it together. You guys, that's the fun part. We love putting it together. You get to see it all, the hard work and effort, all done.
Yeah.
And we get to drive it.
It's coming to an end. Really our goal is to, by the end of the week, get this thing on the road and drive it. I want to see how it sounds, how it feels like, all that horsepower. Definitely excited about it.
Definitely excited. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have a good episode.
All right, so let's check out these OEM grills. We just got it from the dealer. See what we got. The right one, let's see.
This should be the lower grill. And we went with the newer style. We went with the 2014, 13 style. I read online that they'll fit and it's a little bit better. And this should be the upper grill.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, look at that.
Check that out.
Looks great. Hope it fits. All right.
Alright guys, we just had to try it on. So we actually got the Super Steak front lip for it. And I think that looks sick. Look at that. Just gotta put the fog lights in, which we're still waiting for, and the side markers. But that looks nice. Alright guys, we're done for today. We got a lot done on this build, on this car. We're almost done with the car. Well, almost. We just got a couple of more pieces we gotta get to come in. But today we got the fenders on, we got the hood on, we got the side skirts, we got the rear bumper on, we got the little moldings on, we got the mirrors, the handles, a lot of work guys, so.
Yeah, I mean, we're wrapping up. Like I said, by the end of the week, we want to get this thing on the road, run and drive.
That's the plans guys, so stay tuned. You guys follow us on Instagram. I post a lot on there. You know, all the progress that we're doing through the week. You guys, if you guys like this video, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe guys.
All right.